Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove ruler in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I remove ruler in this document. At first I have to drag on my mouse left button to select this ruler, then press delete on your keyboard. Now again drag on my mouse left button to select this ruler and press delete on my keyboard. Now I select this all of this ruler. Now press delete. Now you can see I remove ruler in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.